Buenas, friends! Chamorro food intermittent fasting is where we include Chamorro food in our meals and alternate between short periods of eating and long periods of not eating. All recipes are linked below and at the end of the video. Today, we're having delicious Chamorro sausage with eggs and stuff in a tortilla. I've made this as a burrito before, but didn't get everything in a single bite, thus the TikTok tortilla hack. These delicious eggs and crumbled pork chorizos are courtesy of Reverence Farm in North Carolina. Even though this is my only meal for today, I'm actually doing a 16-8 intermittent fast, which means I'm fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. This morning I had a latte with a friend at 6, did a workout, dug into the cassava cake as you can see, and I'll be done eating my lunch by 2 p.m. When you learn to fast safely, fasting easily fits into every lifestyle. When you teach your body how to use its own stored energy, you can skip a meal or two when you're busy with work or when you have to fly to Guam for 24 hours and the airline doesn't serve meals. Or if you're in a location where you don't want to eat the food that is available, you don't have to. If you're unsure what intermittent fasting and OMAD are, there's a link below to an excellent video. See ya!